got one. Hey. Yep. Yep. Get in there. Woo. Sometimes when it gets tough, you just got to catch a few. You know what I'm saying? It's been brutal out. We've had literally the same weekend of rain, or the same week, the last 3 weeks in a row. It's been rain Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, no rain Friday, but post-frontal conditions, and then Saturday just, again, brutal. But I'm gonna hit, today we're gonna be on Moutain Island Lake. Gonna try and catch a few. The water's super high right now. I think, saw some pictures of a buddy that was out fishing it, and it was ridiculously high, like in the middle of people's backyards high. So I might be pulling a crankbait through some people's lawns. I'll try to be respectful. But seriously though, like half of a dock is covered up and, you know, a fixed dock. So we'll see how it goes. Try and get on a few. There's a giant tournament on Norman today, so that's why I'm not going to be there. Otherwise, that's where I would go. I'd just go to Norman. But another thing, you know, I might miss a week or two here. There's a giant, obviously the tournament I've been talking about for the last couple weeks, or the last month or two really, is the Hobie Open, along with the Queen City Kayak Bass Fishing. And that is going to be a massive tournament, and there's guys coming in from out of state, and I'm going to be doing a lot of pre-fishing there. But obviously, for obvious reasons, I can't put that video up until those videos up until the event starts, you know, something like that. So I might miss a week or two. I'll try not to, but I'm not going to post any Norman content up before the event, because it would burn me. So, and I know some guys, I know there's some big announcements. If you guys haven't followed BizBaits, trust me on this, you are going to want to follow them and keep close eye on their Bassmaster Classic releases. It is going to be a crazy good bait that they are releasing at the Classic. So check it out. I mean, I'm overly excited about it. I'm probably gonna go up there on Sunday if Brian is in their office, and try to snag a couple bags early. I can't post it on here. I'll coordinate a social media push on the day they release it at the Bassmaster Classic, but this bait is gonna be outrageously good. And honestly, I think there's a few applications for it other than its intended purpose, and I'll kind of go over that as well on the channel once that bait is released. So keep an eye out for that, and let's get to it. All right, we're out here doing it. The lake is a little dirty. This lake is usually very, very clear. So There's a fish. Oh, he came off. Dang, man. Are you serious? He just had a hold of the worm. He just had a hold of the worm. Son of a gun. Didn't have the hook. Felt like a decent bite, too. Man, that sucks. That was a decent bite. Dang. Fish. Fish. Alright. Okay. Fish on the old drop shot. Little Moutain Island special. Alright. Not bad. We'll start to the day. Anyway. The old drop shot. Nope, there's a fish there. There's a fish there. Just went under a log. Oh. Come here. Oh my god. You just had me wrapped up under a log. Nice. Open up. You nailed it. That's for sure. A little spot. The old Ned rig. Had me wrapped up under a tree. He was swimming off with it. I was like, there had to have been a bite. And then I pulled up and it felt like a snag, and then all of a sudden he started shaking his head again, and there he was. All right, so I guess for today, this is going to be a mid-morning update. I don't have all that much time to fish today, but and I got a late start. I mean, it was 25 degrees this morning, and I wasn't worried about messing around with those temperatures too much. So short day, but I do have two in the boat, you know, two dinks spots, which Mountain Island is known for. So nothing new there. I'm going to check around this A-rig a little bit. Water is, you know, it's got a decent color to it. I mean, it's not dirty or muddy by any means. A little bit stained, but this lake is usually crystal clear water, so it's a little dirty for what this lake normally is, but it shouldn't be an issue. So we're gonna keep after it here for another hour or two and check around this A-rig, probably throw the Ned rig again a little bit more under some docks and stuff like that. So stay tuned. All right, so we're back where we started, back in the house. I'm getting pretty bad about doing these outros, but that was the day. Two fish, you know, nothing too special. Wasn't expecting too much out of Mountain Island, but it is what it is. I appreciate you guys watching again. Just a heads up, I'm probably gonna miss a couple uploads just because I'm going to be doing a lot of fishing on Norman, and I can't put that stuff out until after the tournament. So you're just going to have to wait. Not that most of you really care, but I will have some stuff for you soon, and hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share the video, and catch you next time.